this video is going to be about this dynamic duo for hanging anything. Well, today we're hanging photos, but any type of frame or anything that holds pictures, this video is going to show you how to hang it. Now, these are overkill for hanging photos, but I just ordered these and I really want to use them and I know they'll work. So I'm just going to use these to hang the photo. But we have an older photo that has these, and these are a pain to try to hang. At least for me they are. And we have this amazing photo that me and my wife took, and the photographer didn't tell me that all my taco meat was showing. But yeah, it's a different story. But yeah, we're gonna hang this photo, and we have these amazing things which remove needing to use this. All you need to do is make sure you figure out the center point, and I've already done that with the help of ChatGPT, because it was like slightly under 20 inches. If it was like 20 inches perfect, it would be 10 in the middle, but it was like 19 and 13/16. So as you can see right here, I was able to get the center point. And if you're using ChatGPT to figure out stuff like this, make sure you double check that it's right, because it was actually wrong. And I told it, I was like, no, it's not. It's 19 and 13/16. And it came back like, you're right, and it gave me the correct calculation. So keep ChatGPT in check. And of course, I have a marker or a pencil here that I was able to create the mark. And now we are going to install this. I like to put it right in the center and just make sure that is over the center line. And now you need a hammer, and you just bang this in and make sure it's level. There we go. And it goes in really easy. Doesn't take much effort at all. See, that's pretty much in. I'm gonna knock it a little bit more, and that's it. That is now a perfectly secure. And if you wanted to go crazy, you could just install one right here in case you ever wanted to reuse this. But yeah, these are great for hanging picture frames. If you got a picture frame with this weird thing on it and you just want to hang it from the center, these are perfect. All right, so now we'll come back with me figuring out where I want to hang it at. I can't believe I forgot about this amazing tool. If you're hanging something with a single thing to put the nail on or hang on the nail, this is a must-have. This basically allows you to hang the photo up, so we get it right where it's going to hang, and then we go put it on the wall. Figure out where we want it, and basically you hold this like right with your thumb and just move all this stuff out of the way. And I'm guessing I'm gonna leave that like that. Maybe it was kind of tropical. I don't know if she wants it like that. All right, so then we figure out right where we want it, and then I think you can push the photo back, but honestly I personally like to remove the photo, and then you press that like that, and it leaves an indentation. It used to be bigger, but that's big enough. Like, I know that it's right there. It leaves a little indentation where you're going to put your screw at. Now we are coming back with our self-drilling drywall anchors. Now these are a step up from the traditional drywall anchors, because one, they're made out of metal, and two, they are a lot easier to install. The ones that I typically use, they have, or you have to screw those in with a screwdriver. These, you just knock them in, and apparently they work. I've seen quite a few videos of people talking about them. So they put a lot of tape on the outside though. My God. All right, I'm just gonna grab one out of here. We'll figure out the tape situation later. And they're all the same size, so you don't have to try to find a smaller one. All right, and now we have our point, which is right here. Once you get that in, you literally just knock it in like that. And that's it. Wow, that is easy. And I'm just gonna get it started like that and then go get a screwdriver. Can't believe I forgot that. All right, got a screwdriver. We are using my trusty dusty Works. I love this screwdriver. You literally change the head like this. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and screw that in. You can already feel it tensioning up. Wow, wow. I screwed a lot of screws and I am shocked at how tough that is. All right, so let's go ahead and hang that picture. What is that shaking sound? Oh, I was like, what is that noise? All right, let's just get that in the center. I think that's centered. And then another beautiful thing about this, it has a leveler, so you can see if your photo is level. And that is it. That beautiful. It was actually a triple team. I don't know what is a duo, but a trio. It was actually a trio. You got your hanging level picture hanging tool. You got your self-drilling drywall anchors, and I don't know what these are called. They're called Sawtooth Picture Hangers. Yes, that's a trio for hanging photos right there. All right, never mind the taco meat. Thank you for watching. You just saw it in action. Hopefully that answered your questions and gave you the knowledge or insight that you needed to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.